Wagwan everybody, welcome back to another video from Daniel's Delight JA. In today's video, I am showing you how I make my aloe vera and coconut water detox. I have my freshly picked coconut here. I have emptied the content from the coconut into my jar, and it's a very big coconut, so it holds a lot of water. I got a whole jar full. And I have my aloe vera here, which I washed, and we're just gonna go right into making our detox water. Alright, so I have one whole aloe vera leaf here. I will not be using the whole thing. I will just be using a small portion of it, and I will not be using the green part. The green part is what makes the drink or whatever you add it to bitter. So that's why 90% of the things that are made from aloe vera is made from the white gel-like part in the middle. It doesn't itch and it doesn't taste bitter. It's just the green part. The skin has a bitterish taste and it itches quite a lot. So I'm just gonna peel it off and get the gel-like part in the middle. So I am peeling the edges like so. You can see the gel-like part in the middle already, and then gently just peel the rest of the green from it. Ensure there is no green whatsoever. And this is all I will be using. So I'm just gonna cut it and put it in a container. Alright, so all that is left to do now is quite simple from here. I'm just gonna add the gel-like part to my glass, and then just pour the coconut water over it. You can have it room temperature as it is, or you can put it to chill to make it a little more refreshing. But let me tell you, this is a really nice drink. You won't taste the aloe vera in it. The coconut water will overtake the taste of the aloe vera, so you won't taste it at all. A lot of people are afraid of trying aloe vera. This is a great way to start to adapt to eating aloe vera or drinking aloe vera. Another way you could have done this is by blending this. You could have blended this glass of aloe vera and coconut water mixture. However, this is like a starter drink. Once you get adapted to the taste of the aloe vera, then you can blend it, because when you blend it, it's gonna have a little more slimier taste, and that doesn't go down so well with a lot of people. So I suggest for people that are starting out, try it this way first, and then you will know if you can manage to drink it blended. And there you have it, a very nice and refreshing way to detox your body, and for men, a natural way to boost your sexual performance. A great source of vitamins and a great way to keep you hydrated. Remember to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell, like my video, and share it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.